Dun 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 dun. Whoa! Having this on the brim this morning. This guy coming out of your shell. Are you like stuck to it, or are you just like? You should eat it. You should eat it. Eat it. Put it in your mouth and eat it. Why are you sticking to it? Ugh. Whoa! Whoa! Now it's free of its shell. It's free. It just like unstuck itself and like flung it out. Oh.
What's it doing?
Like, it was stuck to that thing and then it just like rolled over real quick and like ninja kicked it off.
Nice.
I guess now it's airing out its wings. It's big. What do you think, Kiwi? Do you want to go on an adventure? To go on an adventure? Ho ho. Yeah, we should go back. Oh, look, another one.
Hey.
Hey, this one looks deader than the other one. Oh man, it's drizzling.
Is it?
Mm.
Break. Oh, there's still paint on the camera from Waterville. Skylar brought a bag of M&Ms because she said that having chocolate would be romantic.
I also just wanted M&M's.
With this very deck of cards that Skylar got her ass beat bad at Egyptian Rascal.
Oh yeah, well who won Gin Rummy 1,000 times?
Play again.
All right, signing off. Camera.